My name is Satish Alvarthi, working as assistant professor in mechanical department. My subject is power plant engineering for BTech final year students. The subject deals how the power is generated with different modes. We have two modes of power generations. One is conventional type and second one is non-conventional type. Conventional type power generations, it is not eco-friendly. It generates the air pollution and water pollution. This causes damage the environment and human. For example, steam power plants, diesel power plants, gas power plants, hydroelectric power plants, nuclear power plants. And second one is non-conventional type power generations. This power generation is eco-friendly. There is no air pollution and water pollution. It is not affected to environment and human life. For example, solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy. In power plant engineering subject, it is focused on conventional type power generation mode, that is steam power plant, diesel power plants, gas power plants, hydroelectric power plants, nuclear power plants. Our first unit is steam power plant. Before going to discuss about steam power plant, we have to know the Rankine cycle, because of the steam power plant working on Rankine cycle. The working fluid is water. In left side diagram is Rankine cycle, simple power plant diagram, and right side indicates the ideal Rankine heat cycle, temperature and entropy diagram. In simple steam power plant cycle, it having four major components. One is pump, boiler, turbine, condenser. The pump is a mechanical device which is used to convert the mechanical energy into hydro energy. With the help of pump, we are supplying the water to boiler from the river or sea. When the water is entering into the boiler, we are supplying the heat, the burning of coal. A boiler is nothing but a steam generator. In this boiler, generate the steam. After generation of steam, that one is sent to the turbine. A turbine is a mechanical device which converts the kinetic energy into mechanical energy. Here, turbine is mounted on shaft. That shaft is connected to the generator shaft. Here, generator shaft and turbine shaft is coupled. When turbine shaft is rotated, generator shaft also will be rotate. Generator used for to convert the mechanical energy into electrical energy. Here the steam is expanded at a turbine. After expansion, the steam loses the heat energy and it is dropped into the condenser. A condenser is a heat exchanger. with the help of cooling water, the heat is removed from the vapor. This condenser used for to convert the vapor into liquid. After conversion of liquid, that is called as condensate. The condensate is sent to the hot well. The hot well is nothing but the storage of the water. The condensate and water again sent to the boiler with the help of pump. The cycle will be rotated, and you have to see the temperature versus entropy diagram. Here the dome, the saturation of liquid and the saturation of vapor curves are meet at one point. That point is called as critical point. In Rankine cycle, it is having four process. These are 1 to 2 is the constant pressure heat-addition process. 2 to 3 is the reversible adiabatic expansion process. 3 to 4 is the constant pressure heat rejection process. 4 to 1 is the reversible adiabatic pumping process. In first process, heat is supplied to the water, then the pressure and temperature will be increases from T1 to T2 and P1 to P2. And the steam is expanded at turbine with the reversible adiabatic process. Here entropy is constant, S2 is equal to S3. The pressure is gradually decreases and the temperature also gradually decreases from T2 to T3. In third process, constant pressure heat rejection process, pressure and temperature is same, that is constant. T3 is equal to T4 and P3 is equal to P4. In constant pressure, heat is removed by cooling water, and condensation. After condensation, it converts the vapor into liquid. And fourth process is reversible adiabatic pumping process. In this process, the water is supplied to the boiler. Pressure is gradually increases from P4 to P1 and temperature also increases from T4 to T1. The cycle is completed. With the help of Rankine cycle, steam power plant is working. This is the working of Rankine cycle.